fill the empty space and fix the broken interface between the people who've always been together. Just to be somebody new, you've lost your life, your thoughts are blue, and something tells you it's gonna last forever. Yeah, 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 but everything's gonna be cool. Everything's gonna be cool. Try love. Hard to make the people know these closest friends can also go and leave behind the emails and the sorrows. Close your eyes and close your mind just to be safe, and try to find another shield from all the